Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm Louie. Today my video is how to make pork intestine spicy. This is a spicy, super spicy, super spicy. Let's go. Now start the procedure. This is a pork intestine. I already boiled and washed, but I want again to boil because the smell is not so good. Now I will boil with ginger, garlic, onion, and dry leaves around 1 hour, and then wash, and then I will cut into slide 2 inches. Now you see this? Very good smell. Now again, I will apply vinegar and salt. To make it more better, no smell. Now this is ingredients. Onion, ginger, garlic, chili green, red, and leeks, and chili paste, and then stir fry until the water is reduced. Very nice smell. Wow, very delicious. And then I will put a sesame seed, if you have a comments, please put in my comment section. Now preparing to serve. Wow, so delicious, good smell. Thank you for watching. I'm Louie. Please don't forget subscribe, like, and share. See you in next video. Babu.